Are your arms too weak? You struggle to do even one push-up?
Yeah, boy! What's up, I'm back! In this video, we're gonna demonstrate exercises to make your arms stronger. And just like every time, I will not demonstrate anything. Jam!
I know you're bored of me, but I'm your teacher again.
First, as usual, normal push-up rotation, alternating hook, straight arm plank. That's it. Small video. No. I didn't see from there.
My memorizing capability is so high. Big brain.
So the first thing is normal push-up. Posture is very important. Go back, you have to. Sorry. Be sure to breathe every time, or it will give a pain in your neck.
Next is push-up rotation.
Yeah!
That was not it. That's how you do not have to do it. Look at me. Just look at me. Look at me now. Get back. A normal push-up. Rotation. Normal push-up. Rotation. Normal push-up. Rotation. That's how you do. Be sure to not do how he told you how to, and do how I told you how to. Now I'm going to tell you how to alternating hooks. Get back and look at me now. Like an uppercut. That's how you do. That's how you do. Yeah. Look at me now. Get back. Whatever else you want. Fourth and the last, straight arm plank. Just look at me and get back. That's all there is to it. It's just a plank with straight arms. That's it.
That's it for this video. And remember to like, share and subscribe the video and share it to your friends, and don't forget the notification bell and whatever. Bye.
What about comments?
Yeah, don't forget.